Today I'm going to work with this Peony a little bit more, add a little bit more color. I have some different mediums here. I have the Woody 3-in-1 watercolor crayons, and I have some watercolor crayons, Candelion. This is the Candelion 2. This is the Candelion 1 water crayon colors. They're really fat. I do not know if they're still available. If they are, I'll put a link in the description. Links for all the products will be in the description. Then I have some oil pastels. Anyway, this is the Peony that was in the previous video. That'll be linked at the end from the book Peony by Michener and Edelman. It's really warm out, so my watercolor crayons are a lot softer than they normally would be. Not liking the particular oil pastel on. There we go. Some of these pastels I have in my collection are over 20 years old. So they're not as creamy and don't blend as well as they used to. Olive green in here. And that's pretty much it as far as like touching up. I'm not sure if this camera can pick up the subtleness of this peach or buff colored crayon or not, but it looks nice from where I'm sitting. Let's get a little bit of green going back here, some highlights for the leaves. And I'm probably not going to hit the watercolor crayon with water in this instance. I think I'm going to just leave it as is. I like it. Watering it with diluted and get rid of the textures and the lines, so. And white Conte, some little highlights. This one doesn't want to do that. Well, I know what, we'll use a little white pastel. Oh yes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brands within the same medium. I have 3 different brands of oil pastel here. Here's 2 of them. This one I got from a big box store. This one was given to me decades ago. I find that different brands work differently in different media techniques. There we go. That looks nice. Alrighty, I think we're going to call this one done.